Stay. Mark, where from the fish?
This one coming, this is Alaskan halibut, coming from Yakutat, Alaska. Super fresh, beautiful. It's on the smaller side. They call it chicken halibut. Anything on the smaller side. We're going to cut a fillet today. This beautiful guy just came in. Head off and flip. Halibut is like a flounder or a sole. It's a bottom fish. Unique part is that both eyes are on one side. When we cut this guy, we're gonna get a nice fillet out of it. See the color? You want to see that translucent white. You don't want to have a chalk white or a pale white. That means it's chalky and it's not good. You want that translucent color on whenever you buy halibut. And you want to try to cut your fillet either with a single move or as minimum as possible. That's a beautiful fillet. Sour fish. Here we go. A little trim. Bone. Just like that. Halibut is one of the most versatile fish. It takes spice really well. You can cook it on the grill. You can bake it. Pan fry. If you pan fry, make sure you do skin off so it gets a nice golden color on both sides. And just like that, make a little hole in the skin so you can flip it.
I can show you something, Mark, which you may not know even you for a long time in this business with the halibut.
Wow.
Do you know what is Ngava?
We work, we learn.
Look, stop. This part?
This part called the belly.
No. This part is called, this part between.
It's a fin. It's a membrane fin.
Meat around the fin is called Ngava and used Japanese for high quality sushi.
Very rare that anyone uses this part right here. But yes, that part has a different texture, and some of the sushi places actually use it on their menu. But other than that,
Good job.
our guy. This is our fillet. This is our fillet number 1, number 2.